can write it. You can write also.
But keep them.
Everyone, on behalf of Sai Public School, I extend a warm welcome to all the students, teachers, and staff gathered here for the most awaited event of the year, the farewell ceremony, Glitz and Glam. Today is the day to honor our seniors and to cherish all the moments we have shared in this beautiful journey.
Absolutely. As we stand here today, we can't help but reflect on all the laughters, the struggles, and the triumphs we have witnessed together. The time has come to bid farewell to our beloved seniors, but let us make sure that this farewell is filled with joy, love, and appreciation.
Let us begin this beautiful program with a moment of peace, reflection, and gratitude, the prayer ceremony.
The prayer ceremony is not only a way for us to seek blessings for our seniors as they embark on their new journey in life, but also to connect with the divine and seek guidance.
So let us all bow our heads and join in this prayer, seeking divine blessing for the success of our seniors.
सभी विद्यार्थियों को अपनी कृपा और आशीर्वाद से सशक्त करें, उन्हें सही मार्ग पर चलने की शक्ति दें, उनकी मेहनत और प्रयासों में सफलता का आशीर्वाद दें, उनके मन में ज्ञान की ज्योति प्रज्वलित करें ताकि वे जीवन में उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त कर सकें। उन्हें संपूर्ण ईमानदारी और सच्चाई के मार्ग पर चलने की प्रेरणा दें, उनकी सभी इच्छाएं पूरी हों और वे सब अपने सपने पूरे कर सकें। हे ईश्वर, उनके सभी सपने सच हों और वे हमें और नेक इंसान बने। हम सबको आशीर्वाद दें ताकि हम अपनी और जीवन को अच्छे से जी सकें।
अल्लाहुम्मा फ़्ताली व अब्वाबुल खैर व अब्वाबुल सलामा व अब्वाबुल सिहाबात व अब्वाबुल बरकत।
एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद, तू ठाकुर तुम पर अरदास, जियो पिंड सब तेरी रास, तू मात पिता हम बारक तेरे, तुमरी कृपा में सुख कनेरे, कोई न जाने तुमरा अंत, ऊंचे ते ऊंचा भगवंत, सगल सामग्री तुमरे सूतधारी, तुम ते हो आज्ञाकारी, तुमरी गात मीत तुम ही जाने, नानक दास सदा कुर्बानी। हे अकाल पुरख वाहिगुरु, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਆਪਣਾ ਮਿਹਰ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੱਥ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਬਣਾਏ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜੀ, ਸਿਰ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣ, ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ, ਮਨ ਨੀਵਾ ਤੇ ਮਤ ਉੱਚੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ। ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਪੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਸੰਤਾਪ ਹਰਨੇ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਸੁਮਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ ਤੇ ਔਂਕੜਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਦਾ ਬਲ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ। ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਾਣੇ ਸਰਬਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. Bless every student with wisdom and focus as they pursue their education. Grant them clarity of mind, strength of spirit, and a heart open to understanding. Protect them from distractions and discouragement. Surround them with good friends, supportive teachers, and a nurturing environment. Guide their steps and help them to grow, not just in knowledge, but in kindness, integrity, and faith. May your peace fill their heart and your light guide their paths, today and always. Amen.
I would like to invite our Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and class teachers of class 12th to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं ज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमो भक्तिसमन्विते प्रबोधपूर्णपात्रे तु ज्ञाप्तिदीपं विलोकयेत् वैराग्यतैलसम्पूर्णे भक्तिसमन्विते
Universal language of mankind. So let us experience the magic of music as a
Enjoyed the next performance. The next performance we have is going to take you on a journey to times from the classic iconic moves of the retro era to the fast-paced beats of the metro. This dance is a celebration of how dance and music have evolved over the years.
It is a blend of old and new fusion, of vintage style and modern flair. So let's welcome our talented dancers who all are set to perform retro to metro. Let the rhythm take over and enjoy the show.
महफिल ए शमा फिरती हो कहाँ महफिल ए शमा फिरती हो कहाँ
नीचे नीचे नीचे
तुझ
मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पा दे चल रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चादर करे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं आसमान में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती चाहिए हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਪਰ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਖਾਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੱਤ ਦਿਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਪੈਨ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਨ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਮਕਾੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਮਕਾੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਪਰ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਖਾਨ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੱਤ ਦਿਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਮਕਾੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ जो चांद की उतार ली है दोनों बालियां जा जा तुम्हारे दे डालियां
चांद की उतार ली है दोनों बालियां जा जा तुम्हारे दे तालियां
तो बिलोने 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 तुम्हारे दे तालियां
बिलोने 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 हाथ मार दे डालियां
आज चांदनी कूटेंगे
आसमान को लूटेंगे चल
धुआं उड़ा के झूम 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 झूम
बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम
I won't take much of your time with just few words of mine. Like, many of you, a few of you, I would say, have dressed up like this, in beautiful attires. Maybe for the first time? Yes or no? Yes. But in future, you'll look as beautiful as you are, or more beautiful than what you are looking today, a number of times. The time has just started to show yourself. But do you think in future you will get this environment, in this atmosphere? No, never. So enjoy this moment. Okay? बहुत you have to live a long life. You will get a number of opportunities to look beautiful, to look handsome, but not in this school campus. True, absolutely true, and you won't get such a get together again also. So enjoy this moment. This class 11 students have prepared so well for you. They have been practicing for quite a couple of days. So enjoy them. When you were in class 11th, you used to think कि class 12 के बच्चे देखते नहीं हैं. Now you're on the same side.
It's us to strive for excellence. A farewell is a bittersweet moment, a time to cherish memories and bid goodbye to a significant chapter of life.
No farewell would be complete without hearing from those who represent the voice of graduating batch, the head boy and head girl.
Today they stand here to express their gratitude, share their reflections and take us through their nostalgic journey.
So let us welcome our head boy Shivan Sharma and head girl Varnika Chauhan to share their thoughts. Please give them a big round of applause.
To one and all present over here. Today I, Shivan Sharma, the head boy, along with
Varnika Chauhan, the head girl,
is here to share our experience. Today it is not about any occasion, but about a glimpse of our 4-year journey in this prestigious institution. So let us share with you how these 4 years have transformed us from ordinary individuals to the head boy and head girl.
I joined Sai Public School in class 9 during the challenging times of COVID-19 where the classes were taken online. The teachers knew of me but hadn't really met me. I always wonder and feel worried that will I able to experience the relations that I cherished in my old school. But in class 10th, my efforts bore fruit. I made the wonderful friends I always wished to bond with. For which I would like to thank Sachin sir, who is not currently present here, but I hope Sakshi ma'am would deliver my message to him. And Poonam ma'am, who understand my mood just by looking at my face, who had made the sitting arrangement in such a way that helped me to connect with the friends I always wished to bond with. The one who always stood by my side as the strongest pillar. The one who makes me laugh with their humorous nature. But now let us continue forward because it is said that praising your friend too much is like chane ke jhaad pe chadha dena. Now, class 11 was transformative. I became more involved with the students, including Shri Sai, with whom I initially struggled to connect, but later formed a meaningful friendship. My role as a Blue House captain taught me the true essence of the words empathy, teamwork, courage, responsibility. Class 12 brought new heights to my confidence. Participating in inter-school competitions from MUN and Setu at Little Scholars to securing second place in the debate competition in Bajpur. That helped me to grow immensely. Serving as a head girl, the role I always aspired to, have the culmination to my leadership journey.
Reflecting on my experience joining a new school during COVID-19, I realized it was challenging, but ultimately a rewarding time. Initially, I felt a bit out of place, especially when I saw how confidently Varnika participated in online classes without any hesitation. Her ability to answer and ask questions made me doubt my own comfort level. Many of you can remember how vibrant those online sessions were. However, everything transformed when I began attending offline classes, especially in 9th grade. It was my 5th day of school. Harshita Arora ma'am, I hope you still remember her. She addressed me for talking during class, asking whether I was there to study. That question resonated me and inspired a shift in my mindset that I became more engaged with my studies. Gradually, my name Shivan Sharma started to gain recognition in the school campus. This experience taught me the importance of taking initiative and embracing opportunities for growth. Thank you, Arshita ma'am, for everything you did. Another significant incident that stands out is when Kamlesh sir substituted for our class. The insightful lesson taught by him that the world remembers only those who are either too brilliant or too mischievous, and everyone just forgets the ordinary ones. This had a deep impact on me and motivated me to define the kind of student I wanted to be. Thank you, Kamlesh sir, for acting as a mentor for the youth, providing motivation, offering constructive feedback to help us improve. In 12th grade, this year was transformative, as I embraced numerous opportunities, including being appointed as the head boy. This role allowed me to actively participate in various school events, and the skills and experience I have gained have been invaluable in shaping my confidence and personality.
With our experience, we would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers who guided and nurtured us. Hemlata ma'am, who always treated me like her daughter, guided me in every path and solved the silly problem with the most satisfying solutions. And I hope ma'am knew which problems I am talking about. Ajay sir, your immense trust on me with the grades, responsibility helped me to become a more accountable individual. Sandhya ma'am, your brilliance in teaching psychology not only educated but healed us in many ways you might not realize. You created such curiosity that my friends always end up asking that whether could I read their mind.
Luthra sir, your unique teaching style is a breath of fresh air, creating a pressure-free environment that makes learning enjoyable. He is truly an extraordinary teacher who fosters an enthusiastic and uplifting atmosphere. Sakshi ma'am, I was unsure about my decision to opt commerce, but you believed in me, supported me, and guided me throughout the journey. I don't know if I will ever be able to thank you enough for that. Chanchal ma'am, you are the teacher I trust the most and can rely on everything, no matter what the problem is. Thank you for always being there for me. Further, heartfelt gratitude to Kaushal sir, Anushka ma'am, Pratibha ma'am,
Yogita ma'am, Poonam ma'am, Hema ma'am, Nidhi ma'am for their unwavering support and continuous guidance. We truly appreciate everything you have done for us. But before ending, we would like to extend our gratitude to the one who have gave this auspicious opportunity to us to share our experience.
Thank you, Director Sir, for your guidance on every step and for always setting a new standard of excellence.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your towering presence that always inspire us and help us to prepare for the future of tomorrow. Before concluding, we, on behalf of all Class 12 students, want to extend and take a moment to acknowledge our juniors for their hard work, attention to the detail, and dedication today. Once again, we extend a heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers and mentors who have guided and nurtured us, and the friends without whom the school life will be always incomplete. It would be much like a tree without a fruit, or we can say a river without water, or the sky without the clouds, because friends are the ones who bring the essence of completeness in one's life.
Thank you to everyone who has contributed to making our school life memorable. The lessons learned and the memories we have created will stay with us always and forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
नहीं जाना कहते थे,
पेट में दर्द तो कभी सर में दर्द, झूठे बहाने बनाते थे।
स्कूल न जाने को बच्चे ढेरों नखरे दिखाते थे,
और मम्मी पापा भी उनको कान पकड़ कर कहते थे,
से जरा पास आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। से जरा पास आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। क्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे बढ़ो, जरा आगे बढ़ो, ये गाना भी जोर बढ़ो, डरो तो ठंडा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे पढ़ोगे किताबों से, तुम पढ़ोगे लिखोगे पढ़ोगे पढ़ोगे लिखोगे पढ़ोगे।
जिंदगी सीखने का नाम है, ये हम सब जानते हैं, और हमको सिखाने के लिए हमारे जीवन में इंसान किसी न किसी रूप में, किसी न किसी व्यक्तित्व को लेकर हमारे जीवन में आते हैं, जिनसे हम सीखते हैं। वो किसी भी रूप में हो सकते हैं, माँ बाप के रूप में हो सकते हैं, दोस्त के रूप में हो सकते हैं, गुरु के रूप में हो सकते हैं। लेकिन क्या सिर्फ कोई इंसान ही हमको सिखाता है? कभी इस बारे में हमने सोचा है? नहीं। सिर्फ इंसान के थ्रू ही हम नहीं सीखते, खाली कोई व्यक्तित्व हमको नहीं सिखाता, हम प्रकृति से भी सीख सकते हैं, नेचर भी हमको सिखाती है। बस हमको पहचान करनी होती है अपने आसपास की प्रकृति को देखकर कि हम वहां से क्या सीख सकते हैं। तो वो पहचान, क्योंकि आपने आगे बहुत आगे जाना है अभी स्कूल लाइफ से, तो आपको अगर वो पहचान होगी तो आप किसी इंसान से भी सीख सकते हैं और प्रकृति से भी आप सीख सकते हैं, अगर आपके पास वो नजर है, और वो नजर आप बना सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं उस चीज से। इसी बात को मैं आगे बढ़ाते हुए अपनी एक छोटी सी कविता आपके सामने रखने जा रहा हूं। लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ही ताकत भरता है, लोहा जितना तपता है उतनी ही ताकत भरता है, सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो उतना ही प्रखर निखरता है, सोने को जितनी आग लगे वो उतना ही प्रखर निखरता है, हीरे पर जितनी धार लगे, हीरे पर जितनी धार लगे वो उतना खूब चमकता है, मिट्टी का बर्तन पकता है तब दिन भर खूब खनकता है, मिट्टी का बर्तन पकता है तब दिन भर खूब खनकता है, सूरज जैसा बनना है, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा जलना होगा, सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा जलना होगा, नदियों सा आदर पाना है, नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा, नदियों सा आदर पाना है तो पर्वत छोड़ निकलना होगा। हम क्यों सोचे कि राह सरल होगी, हम क्यों सोचे कि राह सरल होगी, हर संकट का हल होगा आज नहीं तो कल होगा, हर संकट का हल होगा आज नहीं तो कल होगा। थैंक यू एंड ऑल द
Hello, my name is Fiance.